Good morning, everyone. Guess what decided to turn up in the post? I thought we could review this together, as I've never used it before. So let's get to. So here we have the Razer Mini. Let's unbox this together. I don't have sharp nails, so give me 1 second. Okay, I've got a pen, so this might work. Alright, we got it. Alright, let's have a look. Alright, so we've got a message from Razer. Pretty cool. So we got a message from Razer. It's got your signature and all that. Then we got the manual about the Razer Seiren. In my opinion, I think a Razer Seiren is the best mic, like a best mic that's around $50, which is around 36 quid, 36 pound in GBP. Ooh. This mic feels a bit heavy. Oh, God's sake. Right. Here's the actual microphone. Damn! It's actually heavier than I thought. I thought it would be really light. It's actually got a bit of weight to it. Here we have the stand. Oh yeah, I need that little screw thing. Oh, there it is. Oh, so here we got the cable. This cable's kind of annoying, because if this one breaks, you gotta find another one that looks like that and fits the actual Seiren. So, yo, look how nice that looks though. Okay. This the stand is quite heavy, and it's attached to some. I don't have a boom arm yet, so yeah, you might gonna need a boom arm for this thing, because it's quite loud. No, it picks up typing quite loud. Alright, so let's try this baby out. I need to attach this first. Oh, so basically this stand lets you tilt it. Now, can this wire just... Look, you can actually tilt this thing, which is quite cool actually. But the downside thing about this microphone, it's got no software, it's got no buttons, it's got no mute button. But what it does have, a little dot that glows green. Let's test this out. Put it here. I'm going to plug it in and we're going to try this out. Alright, it's on. Switch input only. Switch device. Okay. Well, I'll let you know. Let's start the voice test. Here we go. How's it going? This is the microphone I'm currently using right now. I've got the microphone in front of me. We're gonna try it out from side to side and in front. Okay, so this is the one in front of me. Let's do the one to the side. Okay, this is me to the side. This is me to my left. Alright, now go to the right side. Okay, this is me talking from the side. This is the mic on the right side of me. Okay. Oh, this is the mic in front of me. Right now. Okay, this is the microphone in front of me, behind the keyboard. This is how I sound right here. This is the end of the test. Oh, honourable mention, I forgot to do the keyboard test. So this is what the mic sounds like from in front of the keyboard. Okay, this is now a keyboard from behind. Okay, this is the mic from the right side. This is the mic from the left side. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. Is it good? Or is it meh? Or is it no? Oh my god, no. Let me know in the comments. I'll be very interested to see. I can take it around I can't make you